Hey guys, in this video I am going to be running through the MobileFrame visitor application. So this application has two primary components, and the purpose of it is to track visitors within your facilities. So check-in, check-out dates, the purpose of their visit, streamlined reporting access, ability to view evacuation plans, safety procedures, and really just capture their information as well as print badges. There's two primary components to the application. We have the configuration aspect, or the admin piece, as well as the app side of the house. So we're going to start off with the configuration aspect. So upon logging in to the application, and again, because this is built upon the MobileFrame platform, you have the ability to have this customized to meet your specific requirements. So if you have some specific needs, use cases, the format of the application you prefer in a different format, that's totally cool. MobileFrame can accommodate that. Either our team or professional services engineers can help you, or you can use the MobileFrame platform to do it yourself. So when you first log in, you're going to see the dashboard. The dashboard is going to show you all of the visitors within the system. You have the ability of searching, you have the ability of filtering, but whether or not they're visitor, vendor, customer, contractor. And then if I were to click on them, then the visitor, that is, then it'll actually show you the visitor details. So first name, last name, email, company name, location, type, expiration, things along those lines. Now, if I click on the configuration piece, you'll have the ability of configuring a variety of different locations, the evacuation plan, whether or not some COVID screening questions are required, any disclaimers, printer path, so if you'd like to print off a badge, you can do so as well. It can also automatically email the person that you're there to see. And you can configure the COVID questions inside of here. So are you experiencing flu-like symptoms? These questions can be different from one location to the next. And then we have the ability of configuring the different types of visitors as well as the purpose of the visit. You also have the ability of, from within the application, creating new users for the system. So what we'll do now is I'm going to pull up my iPad, and we are going to run through the process of entering in ourselves as a visitor. Great, so now I have the iPad up, and when you first are launching the application, it'll have you log in, etc., and then it'll bring you to a kiosk mode for the visitor registration. So the iPad, tablet, desktop, computer, whatever it might be, will be sitting there in kiosk mode, and then the user will be able to then enter in their information. So they'll be able to specify what they are. In this case, we'll just say visitor, and we will say Bowser Hessian is coming to visit. Bowser's email is bowser@mobileframe.com. Bowser's phone. Company name is Test. Address. Easy enough. All right, so we have the basic information in there. Now we have the purpose of the visit. So we'll just go ahead and say it's a meeting, and then we have the time of the visit. So what time is it? The expiration, which is 24 hours, that can be configurable based upon the purpose of the visit, or allow the user to select it. And then who or what department you're visiting. It'll provide a list of drop downs in there. In this case, we'll just say Lonnie Oswald. Easy enough. Now it's going to ask us for uploading a picture of ourselves. So let's go ahead and take the picture. Take a picture of myself. Easy enough. And let's take a picture of our driver's license. So simple enough. There we go. And then if you want to make it bigger, retake it, we have the little icons there to make it bigger, delete the picture, retake a new one, etc. You can click on that to view the evacuation plan, make you select it, and then we have the legal disclaimer and a little acceptance box and the all-important signature, which will then appear on the printed documents as well as badges if needed. So from here, then it'll display the visitor badge. These can be printed in any size, printed off to a normal label maker. They can be kind of a temporary badge, or if you wanted to do this on a plastic ID card, that's totally fine. This is just simply a print preview for you. And then when you're done, you just click on Submit. It'll send the results to the server, and then the server end will allow you to view the information. So the application can be set up to just restart over and over again. So let me go ahead and I'm going to disconnect the iPad. And then if this gets refreshed, then you'll see Bowser Hessian's information in there. If I click on View, then you'll see the picture. And that is a quick round trip of the MobileFrame visitor registration application, both the dashboard as well as the mobile app. If you have any questions about this or want to see a more in-depth tutorial or demo, please feel free to reach out to us, and we're looking forward to speaking with you. Thanks.